What up guys, it's your girl coming at you with another video. If you are new to my channel, welcome and welcome back to my loyals. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications so that you can be alerted every time I post a new video. So guys, this video is a little different because, you know, I was excited about it, and I guess to an extent I still am. It just didn't turn out at all how I planned for it to turn out. So as you can see by the title, this is a Valentine's Day treats fail. I didn't plan on it being a fail, but it ended up being a fail, and so here we are. I made a video out of it. So I did 3 easy treats for you guys. They still are easy, but just because I messed up on them doesn't make them not easy. It just didn't work out. 2 of the treats I've actually done in a Christmas video, which was about 2 years ago, and they came out fine. Well, as far as the first treat that you're gonna see, I don't know. It just didn't. And it pretty much went all downhill from there. So I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna let you guys witness my failures in these baking exercises. So without further ado, let's get into the failed baking Valentine's treats.
I found a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to. I found a
What? I still did it?
Yeah.
Okay, being able to what it is, once?
I found a dream that I can speak to. I found
It's just not working out.
a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to.
The kids on the schoolyard. She said that she was here to see you, but I don't know, it seemed odd. Well, she's a real estate agent. She was probably just showing out.
For you are that I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to. found a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to.
Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found some type of entertainment out of it because I was getting frustrated for real. But I figured, you know, the show must go on. So that's pretty much all I have left for you guys. Leave me comments on video ideas. I'm really trying to post at least once every other week, but at most once a week. I am trying, but I need video ideas because I'm running out of ideas kind of. So help me. So that is all I have for you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Deuces!